Students, today we are going to see about summary writing. Okay, and it is the important questions. Write a summary or make notes of the following passage. For summary writing, rough copy 1 mark, a suitable title 1 mark, a fair copy 3 marks. What is the procedure to write a summary writing? Means first you have to write the summary, and next one you have to write that rough copy title, and next one you have to write that fair copy. Yeah, at last you have to give words in the given passage and words in my summary. And what is the procedure means? That in the question they have to give a long passage. Okay, you just first read that full passage and understand that meaning. So next you just to go through that in a rough copy. What is it in the rough copy means? You just write the short sentence, just short that following passages. Okay, yeah, short form. Yes, the following passages, you just short that paragraph, okay, and not to give all the important points in that rough copy. Yeah. In the fair copy means what is the procedure means in the following the passage, it conclude at least 150 words means you just give 50 words in the following passage. You just short that passages to write in that rough copy and short that passages write in that fair copy. At last you have to given that words in my words in the given passage and words in my summary. Okay, and it is summary writing. Some more times in 12th standard and for 11th standard, write a summary or make notes of the following passage. Okay, this is the question. In the question they have to give or write a summary or make notes of the following passage. Write a summary. Okay, summary means you just write this type. Okay, you just select the title. About tobacco means yes, abuse of tobacco. What are the demerits to use that tobacco? Okay, like that abuse of tobacco. A hospital means hospital. Schools means schools. Just to read that passages and write it in that rough copy. And the next one, fair copy also is just given the title. Title is very important. So next one, yes, it is summary writing. Or they can you just read the question carefully. Write a summary means summary only. Make notes means you just write the note making pattern, and it is important question for 10th, 11th and 12th standard. The mark will be varied. For 12th standard they can give 4 yes, 12th standard they can give 5 mark question. 10th standard it is 4 mark question. Sometimes they have to ask write a summary, and sometimes they have to ask make notes of the following passage. Students, next to make notes of the following passage, you just select the title abuse of tobacco. What are that use the tobacco in the bad ways and harmful of tobacco, like that. Make notes means you just write this pattern. First select the subtitles. Okay, subtitles, 4 or 5 subtitles, and below the titles, yes, below the subtitles you just give 3 or more sentences, not a complete sentences, you just give that important points only. Okay, so for that, tobacco means bad habits and the history of tobacco, harmful of tobacco, and the next one, methods of using tobacco. So here you just you not give your own points, means what are the correct messages in the passage, you just select and give it. Okay, the use of tobacco widely spread, used by the way of smoking and chewing, the use of tobacco, chewing and smoking, and used by men, women and even children. So these are the bad habits. History was brought by Sir Walter Raleigh from America, and Virginia Young, it's the best tobacco. Harmful of tobacco means what are the demerits? It affects the human system, called lung cancer, mouth, throat cancer. You just saw in some more movies. Before the movie, they have to show that advertisement. You saw that throat cancer, like that. So harmful of tobacco. Next one, methods of using tobacco in the form of cigars, cigarettes, and or beads, chewing. What are the methods to take tobacco? You just saw in some more movies. Puhaile. Tobacco means puhaile. So very bad. It's a very bad habit. Cannot rid of this habit. So that's not a matter. Okay. What are the passage they can give in the public exam? Hospitals, maximum schools, and maximum diseases they have to give that. Okay. So you first select that topic, and and four subtopics, and below the subtopics we just give that important points, and not necessary to use auxiliary verbs, am, is, or, was, were. Next, have form verb, will, future verb, will, shall, have form word. You need not to use that auxiliary verbs in the sentences. You just and then avoid prepositions in, on, to, like that. Next one, you just avoid that linkers, the connective words, and, or, but, because, and avoid the articles a and the, because you have to use all this preposition, linkers, linkers, articles, and auxiliary verb means it just gives a complete meaning, and it makes a more paragraph like that. Okay, so it is the procedure. Subtopics, 2 or 3 sentences. Only the important points. No need to add preposition, linkers, articles in that sentences. Okay, it is the format to make notes of the following passage. Okay, to make notes of the following passage. Make notes means this is the procedure to write, and a summary means that one. It's very important to read the question clearly first, because it is easily in our English language, it is the easily to score marks, full marks. Okay, easily to score full marks. For 12th and 11th students, just to read the question. What is the question? Write a summary writing. Or it is a make notes of the following. Make notes means this one, and one more make note means this is one chart. One more chart means it's a old method, not to use nowadays. Okay, it's a old method means you just to know that you just to give the title, notes, and put hyphen. Long passages you just to short that and put hyphen. Okay, that is that notes. Okay, make notes of the following old method. You need not to write that, because nowadays itself they want to give a full marks. You just to follow this one only for 10th, 11th and 12th standard. Notes means make a notes of the following. Make notes of the following passages means you just keep this one in your mind. Okay. And first of all, it's very important because it's a 4 mark, 5 mark areas. It is 4 mark question. Mark will be varied, I am already told. First, read the question. It is dialogue writing, notice writing, or make a notes, or a summary writing, pamphlet writing. You just read the questions clearly. Okay. So, it is 12th standard 5 mark question. Summary writing, make notes of the following. For 11th standard also, the mark will be varied. For 10th standard also, what is the question? Write a summary or make notes of the following passage. Okay, this is the question. So, you just go through this video, students. Go through this video and note that important points what are in this. Okay, so thank you, students. Students, today we are going to see about developing the hints. Okay, so it is 5 more questions, developing the hints. So, develop the following hints into a paragraph. They have give the paragraph. They give a passage and it's not completed. There is an hyphen, hints format. You just make this into a full paragraph. Okay. So, developing the hints means first of all, what is the first one? You have to give the title. Title carries 1 mark, and make a paragraph. Content carries 3 marks. At last, moral or slogan. Cleanliness is the best. Okay, keep our surroundings clean. Yes, like that. Morals. What is the morals in that passage? What is the slogan in that passage? Trees are very important for our countries. So, save the forest. Rainwater harvesting, save the rainwater, like that. What is the moral? What is the slogan in this paragraph? So here, what is it? First of all, you have to take that hyphen and make a full paragraph. Full paragraph means used pronoun and prepositions in, on, to, from, below, beside, okay, in front, like that, preposition words and linkers, but, so, therefore, while, after, though, although, even though, as if, so that, and so, like that, linkers and connectives. You have to use that. And linkers and preposition, auxiliary verbs, am, is, or, was, were, do form verb, have form verb, okay, and pronoun, you used that. Connective words, because there is no connective words, you have to see this, there is no linkers, there is no prepositions, there is no auxiliary verbs, there is no helping verbs, okay. So you have to use the preposition and linkers. Linkers means linkers and connectives, and next one, here's the prepositions and auxiliary verbs, linkers, used all these words to make a complete paragraph, okay. So title, content, moral and slogan. So 5 marks. Title is a suitable title for this paragraph and a suitable moral for this paragraph. It's what is the question means, develop the following hints. Following hints into your paragraph. Students, listen carefully, because the supplementary paragraph also in this format only. It is for late bloomers. So just listen, late bloomers, the supplementary paragraph also in this format only, okay. So you just read the question. It is summary writing or make a notes or developing the following hints and the supplementary paragraph, and that it is also in this format only, developing the hints. So you have to read the question, develop the following hints into a paragraph. So go through this video and attend this question. It's for developing the following hints. It's for 10th, 11th and 12th standard. Thank you, students. Describing a process. It is 3 mark question for 11th and 12th standard. So 10th standard also, but the mark will be varied. You just note that question, describing a process, okay. So describing a process, what is the question means? Preparation of apple juice and installing a computer, preparing your favorite dish, like the question, sending a letter by courier service, describing the process of covering a book with brown sheet, okay. So preparation, for example, public, they have to ask, yes, preparation of lemon juice, preparation of coffee, preparation of tea, preparation of apple juice. So you have to write that 4 or 5 apples are taken and washed away, first step. And next one, they are ulled, wiped dry and cut into pieces of medium size. Next, seeds are removed. Apples are put into the mixture. Some milk is added, sugar is added, then stir it, crushed, and a fine liquid is obtained, and then only you take that liquid and add some sugar and filter the liquid, and the juice is ready. It is stored in the refrigerator and served to the relatives or friends, and wherever you want that, you just take it, adding sugar, and it is served in cups, okay. So it is the question of 3 mark question, describing a process, preparation of apple juice. For next question, covering a book with brown sheet, choose the brown cover to cover your book. Cut the brown sheet, fold the paper 1/4 inch above the top and bottom of the book, and create the folds for the sides of the book. Fit your book inside of the cover. So this way only you have to attend this question, describing a process. And next one, yeah, it is also a 3 marks question. Extend the conversation with 2 more relevant exchanges. The conversation between a student and the class teacher, between a passenger and a railway staff, whatever it is. So dialogue writing. For 10th, 11th and 12th standard, dialogue writing, first you have to know that meaning, what, enna, why, ஏன், whose, யாருடைய, how many, எத்தனை, to whom, யாருக்கு, by whom, யாரால், when, எப்பொழுது, where, எங்கே, whom, யாரை, how much, எவ்வளவு, with whom, யாருடன், by which, எதனால், who, யார், which, எது, how, எப்படி, how long, எவ்வளவு காலம், how far, எவ்வளவு தொலைவு, what far, எதற்காக. So starts with a good morning sir, and ends with a thank you sir, you are always welcome, like that. Okay, so here it's a simple format. You have to make a dialogues for it is the routine dialogues. We just saw in our school PT and latecomer. PT stuff, yes, regular latecomers in our school. What is the dialogue? Normal dialogues. The sir asked, why are you late? Question. It is a question type. Why are you late? So latecomer said, I missed by school bus, school van sir. So past tense lo solano. Okay, I missed by school bus sir. Why did you miss? Only PT sir asked. Then what is the reason? They asked the reason. Why did you miss it? What is the reason? Latecomer, as my brother was ill. Yes, I was ill sir. I took her to the hospital. Like that, you just write any reasons. PT stuff. What happened yesterday? So what happened due to illness? What happened? Why you late? So due to illness, my mother did not prepare lunch sir, so only I am late today, so please give excuse today only, so please sir, like that. PT masters then only told, yeah, go and inform to the principal or Kara sir, like that. Go and inform to the principal sir. First of all, principal sir, and then you just get a letter from your class teacher. Go and inform to your class teacher. Yeah, like that. And latecomer, thank you sir, hereafter I never come late sir, like this type only. For example, ask permission means, may I come in sir? Okay, may I may I come in, and I shall take this, I shall remove, like that. I shall, you just used that word. Question, how to make that interrogative questions. Interrogative means WH questions. And answer yes or no type. Yes or no type question means you just answer yes, no. Okay, like that. How many? Yes, yes or no type means you just say yes or no. Yes, simple answer. And imperative sentences starts with verb. Stay there. I am not do that. Like that, imperative sentences. Stay there. Exclamatory. What a tasty food it is. Yeah, I like this most. Okay, I like it very much. Like this format, you have to format dialogues. Okay, interrogative and a simple statement. And for what means how to make a sentence statement. Next one, interrogative, WH questions, and a yes or no type questions. Acts with the auxiliaries verbs. Or you know that rules. What does it mean? Yes or no type question means it starts with the auxiliary verbs. Do form verb. Do you have this? Do you have your lunch? Okay. Do you have your lunch? Or you come from Thurayur, or you come from Trichy. Why are you late? Like that, auxiliaries. So how cost is this? How much do you like? So next one, these are interrogative questions. Imperative sentences starts with verb. Stay there, go away, stop it, don't talk. In negative, and negative sentences means not. Positive means not to use that positive word. Okay, so these are it. And the last one, exclamatory sentences. Yeah, Alash, I'm so happy. Sorry, Alash means I'm so sad. Sorry, Alash, I'm so sad. Hooray, I have won the match. Alas is the word used for us. Sorrow. Okay, sorrowful. Sorrow of mind. Alash, it is used for sorrowful of mind. Hooray only it is used to express the joyous. So you have to note that 4 type of sentences, how to make normal sentences and how to answer it. Simple normal English, you have to make it 4 or 5 sentences. You just to note that, write a dialogue between a regular latecomer. And some more questions also they asked, what are the repeated? A salesman and a customer, 2 friends. The 2 old friends they will meet means what are the dialogues? The dialogue between your father and his daughter. Conversation between you and your best friend. Passenger, what is the dialogue between the dialogue and the conversation between a conductor and the passengers. These are the repeated questions. Okay, and this format only you have to attend that questions. First of all, you note that question describing a process, how to make a lemon juice, how to make a coffee. Okay, so next write a dialogue writing. Okay, so it is a dialogue writing. Some more times it is to complete the dialogues, it is in the fill-up, okay, like that. To complete the dialogues, they have to give you a long fill-up. To complete this long fill-up means you have to fill the sentences. So these are the compulsory questions describing a process, 3 marks questions for 10th, 11th and 12th. The dialogue writing, it's very important. Following hints, it's also very important. Thank you, students. Students, some more problems for you. This is a 3 mark question for 12th standard students. A bird child read fire, a stitching time says 9 actions speak louder than words. After a stand comes a calm, all is well, the tense well. Bad words by no badly. So next one, question from these areas. So 12th, for 12th standard students, guide, they have to, they will give a lot of proverbs, okay. There is a lot of proverbs in your English guide. You just go through that. So you just know the paragraph, know the proverbs, okay. What is the meaning of this proverbs? And you just read the proverbs. Need not to memorize them. You just read all the proverbs once, because they have to give the options for all questions. So questions are from this area. Complete the correct option and complete the proverbs. This is the question. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Feeds, it is the answer, and this is the question and this is the answer. Feeds is the answer. Complete the correct option and complete the proverbs, and it is the question. So next one, complete the proverbs with the suitable options. Dash the root of all evil. Okay, money. Some more options they will give in your questions. So like this format only the questions come for you. I mean complete the proverbs like this format or match the questions, okay. Match the following. All the glitters is not gold. First question. So 3 more questions means just like that, or otherwise just like this. So next one, no man is an island. Make hay while the sun shines, okay. So all the glitters is not gold. What is the correct meaning, appearance or deceptive? So next one, no man is an island. Tanimaram thoppagadu, prefer to live in groups, okay. Make hay while the sun shines. Make use of every opportunity. So like this, because it is 3 marks question, okay, for 12th standard and also 11th standard also. It's 3 more questions. Complete the proverbs. So in your 12th guide, you just go through all the proverbs and complete just like that questions, or match that. I mean, it's the proverb. What is the meaning of the proverb? In the opposite side, you just match the proverbs. So what is the 3 mark questions for 12th standard? 3 mark questions. What is that? Yes, dialogue writing. First one. Next one, describing the process of making a lemon juice, coffee or tea. And next one, complete the proverbs or match the proverbs. And next 5 more questions. Paragraph, prose paragraph, poem paragraph, supplementary reader paragraph, and make notes of the following. Make a summary or make notes of the following. Next one, letter writing. Write a letter to the manager of the sugar factory. Letter writing. And for 12th standard, they have to give that advertisement box. They have to give that advertisement for a job vacancy, PG assistant or steno, like that questions. You have to write the letter resume. I'm already told that format 5 more questions. And next one, general essay, avoid mobile phones, okay, pollution, like that. You just give the subtitles, and write the paragraph, okay. So next one, 5 mark questions. At last 7 into 5, 35 marks. That all are 5 mark question. So next question, complete the paragraph. What does it mean? Read the passage. Comprehension question. Okay, 5 mark question. Or a poem comprehension. Either of choice. For all the 7 questions, they will give a option. Okay, they will give a option. Clues, either or one. Choice question. So next one, spot the errors or that models, semi-models, linkers, that questions, either or options. So 3 marks question. These are the 3 mark questions. And what are the 5 mark questions I am already told. And part 1 grammar and poem section. Okay, poem section means read the poem lines and answer the questions, and a poem paragraph, and next one poetic devices, and ERC. These are the questions from poetical areas. Okay, and prose 2 mark or 3 mark questions, whether the marks will be vary. Prose 2 marks or 3 marks question. So go through this video. First, you have to know that part 1 grammar, and next poetic devices, prose, and 3 more questions and 5 more questions. So you just go through this video and prepare for all the 5 mark Roman. Just prepare well. Thank you, students.